Hi, my name is Marlene Nordlander and I'm a member of Oriflame's Nutrition Council. What is a meal replacement? Meal replacements are products like shakes, bars and soups with controlled calories and nutrients, such as protein, vitamins and minerals that can be used to replace a meal. They can help you lose weight or maintain weight after weight loss. Along with a healthy diet and exercise, meal replacements offer a safe, convenient and healthy solution that helps achieve weight management goals and sustain them in the long term. How does a meal replacement help me control my weight? Well, controlling your weight is all about calories in versus calories out. So to lose weight, you need to eat and drink fewer calories than you burn. If you consume and use the same number of calories, you will maintain your weight. Generally speaking, a main meal like breakfast, lunch or dinner contains roughly 500 calories. But a meal replacement, on the other hand, contains only 200 to 250 calories per serving, while still providing all the nutrients you need to be healthy. So substituting a regular main meal with a meal replacement enables you to reduce your calorie intake by more than 50% per meal and support your weight control. What are the most successful strategies to lose weight? Well, losing weight and keeping it off requires a change in lifestyle. We believe in a holistic approach that supports health and well-being from the inside out by promoting a nutritious diet, along with exercise, stress management, adequate sleep, and a supportive community. Research has shown that meal replacements work better than trying to lose weight on your own. Substituting 2 main meals with a meal replacement shake and eating 1 nutritionally balanced meal in combination with exercise help to promote successful weight control over time. How should I use a meal replacement? If you want to lose weight, you replace 2 main meals per day with a meal replacement and eat 1 nutritionally balanced and calorie-controlled regular meal. And if you want to maintain your weight, you only replace 1 main meal per day with a meal replacement and eat 2 main meals. Just make sure to maintain an adequate daily fluid intake as well. What makes Wellosophy meal replacement for weight control unique? Well, unlike many other meal replacements on the market, the Wellosophy meal replacement for weight control has plant-based proteins from pea and fava bean and dietary fibers that help to keep you feeling full. And it doesn't contain any added sugar. Simply a delicious and healthy way to lose weight. Can I use the meal replacement even though I don't want to lose weight? Yes, you can! The good thing with Wellosophy meal replacement for weight control is that it's not only for weight loss, but also for healthy nutrition and weight management. So, if you want a convenient, healthy and nutritious meal, it's the perfect go-to option.